me at the Grand Canyon.
So I just wanted to share something that's been on my mind today. This phrase, outlast yourself. I was reading something from Alex Ramosi today, and he was talking about how the game isn't about winning, but it's about outlasting everyone else. And I took that and kind of turned it into outlast yourself. Trading is literally about outlasting yourself. If you're over leveraging, you're gonna kill yourself. Period. You're not gonna outlast yourself. If you're taking stupid ass trades, you're gonna kill yourself. That's not outlasting yourself. Outlasting yourself in this game is using proper risk management, taking A+ setups, taking your setups, taking real trades, not fucking 2-point trades, not 50 contracts on NQ because you feel like it. You gotta outlast yourself in this game. And the most brutal example would be having a $1,000 live account, for example, risking $200, you lose a trade, risk $400, you lose a trade, you're down to your last $400. Is that outlasting yourself? No. Outlasting yourself would be, okay, risking $20. You lost a trade, okay, risking $10 type shit. You know what I'm saying? Outlast yourself is the new approach I'm taking to trading right now. It's obviously it's something that's been in my mind before, but I just came up with the phrase today. It makes a lot of sense. Like, you have to you have to do the things a trader does. You can't do gambling ass activities. Like, why are you doing that? I mainly wanted to make this video for myself as well, because I think this conversation I'm having with myself is going to be very useful in times when you have red months, you have red weeks. You gotta outlast yourself, bro. I mean, there's really nothing else holding you back but yourself, really, bro. I mean, like, what the fuck else is gonna be? Is it slippage? Is it commissions? Are you gonna blame it on something else except yourself? Take responsibility. That's number one before outlasting yourself. You gotta take responsibility, motherfucker. I mean, there's nothing you can do to skip that part, you know? So that's all I wanted to say today, okay? Hope you're having a good trading week. I'm not gonna trade this week. Bunch of red folders. RIP that war that's going on. That's fucking tough. But remember, in times like these, you gotta separate yourself from worldly events, unfortunately. So, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned some value out of it. And if not, it doesn't really fucking matter. So peace.